How do you train freshers, beginners, rookies in sales? Now, I have seen a lot of HR department, lot of HR people learning and development sales. A poor sales fresher joins the company. The first day, they download the person with a lot of company knowledge. Second day, they download the person with a lot of product knowledge. Third day, they download the person with the who is who inside the company. Fourth day, they take the person for a tour to the company. And fifth day, they try to explain some of the USPs and benefits of the product and services. Sixth day, the guy is asked to go out to the market, and the guy starts going to the market and vomiting out company knowledge, product knowledge, factory knowledge, and then we creep that, hey, did the person get trained properly or not? Hello friends, this is Sanjay Singh, your sales coach, and in this video we're going to talk about what is the right kind of training for sales beginners. Friends, it's important for us to set the right sales framework in the mind of the sales beginner. The first thing that I want is to have a questioning framework in his mind, which is what I call the curiosity index of the person. So the first thing that you must empower a salesperson is how to be more curious. What are the right questions to be asked? How to be asking questions around your product? I'm sure you don't need product knowledge to be asking the right questions. Why is this product? Who is this? Who are the people who are supposed to buy this product? What are the advantages that this product accrues to its user? Who are the competitors to this product? And why this product is so expensive? I mean, these are certain questions which you should first address in a beginner's mind. Why is a great question to be answered. Increase the curiosity index of the new salesperson. Having done this, it is important for us to empower the salesperson with the benefits that we offer to the customer and not overplay the features part of it, because features are technical things. They will come, they will understand it as they give more and more demonstrations. But first and foremost, try to train a beginner as to what are the final benefits that our product or service accrues to its user. You see, when he knows the benefits, and then train him to be talking benefits to the customer rather than talking features of the customer. And you can do this excellently by sharing a feature advantage benefit chart with him, and also by sharing frequently asked questions with him. So curiosity index taken care of. The next is the confidence index. And confidence is again something which needs to be trained. You cannot buy confidence from any shop. You cannot go and say, give me 5 kilo confidence, isn't it? Now, what is confidence training? I'm against all these motivational speeches where someone comes, rolls his sleeves and talks at the top of his voice, dancing and prancing on the stage and trying to motivate a salesperson. Well, I don't think anyone in this world can motivate anyone else. If at all you can motivate yourself. Having said that, confidence building exercise always comes out of when you prepare your beginner to handle the worst scenarios in the market. So positive preparation towards handling negative outcomes in the market. So you conduct role plays, you conduct how to do sales pitching, you conduct a training on what is the right pitch for the right silo or the right customer type. You also conduct training on how to handle objections, what is the best way to do need analysis, what are the right questions to be asked, when do you start your closing, how do you do part closing and move on to final closing, how do you make use of negotiation exchange kit, and so on and so forth. Prepare your salesperson on the negative outcome that he's going to face in the field. So all the negativities he's going to face on the field must be handled through role plays in your training program for beginners. And the end result of this is a sales funnel approach in the mind of the beginner, where he's very clear about the result orientation. So the fourth thing that I'm looking forward for training in sales beginners is result orientation and goal setting in the mind. And normally we are seeing that sales people have only one result to follow, which is how many orders you have booked or what is the value of order you have booked. Well, this is wrong. because this is a destination result, and sales gives you destination after a journey. So how do you measure the journey? Because at every point of time, the salesperson must be following a result. So don't leave your sales beginner in the lurch for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months saying that, okay, this is too early to close an order. No, there are concepts of top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, and each of these parameters can be measured through a number. So that's the result orientation which you have to train your sales beginners with. And last but not the least, please train your sales beginners on concepts of customer relationship management, on concepts of cross-selling, upselling, referral selling, on the importance of lifetime value, because finally it is not a transactional approach to sales, but a consultative approach to selling. So by the time you have taught these 5 things to your salesperson, he is a much more eligible candidate to represent your brand in the market. Hello friends, this is Sanjay Singh, your sales coach with a very strong mission of empowering 1 million salespersons with the science of selling before 2025. Take good care of yourself and help me connect to all the salespeople known to you. And go and subscribe on this channel. I'm going to come live every Tuesday and Friday for you with a new video on sales. Bye-bye.